is how it is.
He has right to life.
Right to
Equality.
Why am I even going to college right now? Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And also, this is how my day started. Also, my college has been started through online classes right now. And also, please do ignore the mess. Like, yeah, please do ignore that. And also, wait for me to give the intro for you all, guys. Okay, so let me give you all a very quick update of what is happening in our college right now. Like, we had an orientation program, and also this was conducted because there were many students who got into the uni, and yeah, like post 9 it's already 9:04. I need to go to the other class which will be happening right now. So yeah, this just briefs us about the policies, rules and regulations should be followed, and what else, like internship stuff and all. Like, please do ignore me because I was sleeping for a while, like not in between of this, before this, and I don't have an idea. Like, yeah, I just need to go and attend the first class. I'm already late. I'm just doing this video, so yeah, I'll just tell you all what is happening in the first class. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, join the link for that. Okay, we have taxation right now. Like, this is how it is.
Abhishek sir.
This is what happens when you have a best friend like that. Yeah, I'm muted.
Okay, so now usually what happens is
Okay, I know most of us do the same thing. That does nothing but we just keep the laptop or the phone or whatever we are logged in to just aside and listen to it. And yeah, I'm just doing the same thing, and I was so happy because, dude, it was taxation, and that is kinda my favorite because, yeah, listen to me right now. Okay, I just want to tell you all that is nothing but this just random. I don't know about all of this, but yeah, my dad is a profession in taxation, so yeah, he would help me. I'm just happy because I knew that I'll be having taxation in some or the other STEM, and my dad was like, okay, I'm there for you for taxation. I'm like, okay, dad. Like,
Dude, I am obsessed by doing this. I don't know why, but these days I just do this. This is out of topic, please don't mind me, but yeah, watch me.
okay, again, I was silent because I thought, okay, let me not speak too much because I thought I could listen to class, but that never happened because, see it. Okay, it's 9:35 and my sir is taking the class right now, but yeah, I'm just gonna have my breakfast.
added pay, right? What's added? Get the bottom. Right before the final. The way right before the final amount. Right above the final. Of course, it will take that 2 GST like.
Okay, I didn't film the whole lecture of the day because I think that will be too boring for you all, but you all need to watch what happened next. Okay, yeah. Right now, I just want to tell you all that my classes got over right now, but wait. Why am I even going to college right now? Like, do I have something else to do over there? Yeah, I do have something to do in the college right now. I'll be meeting my friend Mary, like my classmate, and yeah, we both have, I guess there'll be 2 members from each class who will be representing. Yeah, okay, I'll tell you all when I reach the college, so stay tuned. Bye bye. Okay guys, please don't judge me for what I'm wearing because I can't get dressed up. Like, I am not into that. And also, see the heavy bag over there. Like, dude, it was so bad, okay? But it's all fine. Let's go. Okay, as you all can see, I just reached the college, but yeah, wait. What am I even doing? Where did I even go? I will just tell you all.
Okay, so let me give you all a very good update. Like, yeah, I don't have to be going to the college, but I have a lot more time to go. So I thought, let me utilize that sitting over here. This is the Baker Street. Like, if you are a SSDL person, you know this obvious. Okay, so I'll be working on something like I need to write the review right now. Like, yeah, because I didn't work yesterday because of something. So I'll finish that and then I'll go to college because I have a bit more time as I've already mentioned. So let's do that. And also I'm alone.
Okay, you all must be thinking, how can she even go alone or be alone? I don't know, I'm getting used to all of this, but yeah. And also, see my face. I don't know, like, how can I be that serious when I'm just reading something? But yeah, it's all fine. I was doing my work.
So guys, as you just saw, I'm done with one report right now. I need to do the other one. And also, yeah, I'll just show you all. This is the report. Sneak peek. And also, oh shit, yeah, wait. And also I have coffee. I'll be drinking this coffee and then I'll go back to the work I need to finish, like, yeah. And then I'll go to the college because I have something else. And also I need to call my friend like Mary, what I've already mentioned. I need her also, and yeah, I need to be there in a few more minutes. So let's do this fast.
Okay, I just told that I'll be working, but just see me. I was super hungry, so I took the meal for the day, like the lunch. And also, you all must be seeing right now, like, dude, I'm a bakasuri. I ate everything alone sitting over there, but it's all fine, you know, like, yeah, that is me. That is Mandra Siddesh. Okay, right now, as you all can see, I was sitting inside the campus and also waiting for my teacher to just get done with their meeting. And also, this is the new building which is happening for St. Joseph College of Law.
And then some courts that uphold the value of the Constitution. That's what we do.
And what I'm going to do is go to this, circle, right? Yeah.
Right now, I'll be telling you all what was told to us and what we all were doing right now. So, that is nothing but we all were instructed to do placards for the upcoming event, which is on 26th. That is nothing but Constitution Day. And also, each team were divided into 6 people, where we were supposed to do 10 placards.
Article 14 is right to life. Right to equality. Good job. You're telling that in front of me.
Okay, I don't know how the time went, but it was so quick, you know.
Like, I don't have any light over here. So guys, I'm done with the work what was assigned for all of us. Like, yeah, we did the whole thing, and we have like Constitution Day on 26th. And also, I'm just gonna end this vlog over here like this because I'm so tired. I just need to go home and do all my work. Like, I have so much to do. So yeah, meet you all very soon. If you would have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also stay tuned for every video which will be coming every week from now. Yeah.